YouTube. Wala.
Parang may help. So why not ba yun? You're saying so why not?
Opo.
May spag ako.
naman siya
Pero
partner,
ay,
ba partner?
ay, black. Wala
Hindi,
din.
partner ko siya.
White.
Sa huli.
Tapos pula rin.
Sa huli ba?
2 beses, sir.
Wala.
Isang magka-partner kaming wine up
White
sa
na tube.
yung second chorus. Yung first chorus with the dancer. Yung second chorus na siya. Tapos hanggang may third chorus pa yun.
Just my advice is just do your step. Without, kung hindi siya makakawa, just do your step.
Sorry, hanggang ngayon talaga yung utak ko medyo na ano pa rin. Ito, suhatin ko na po.
Mahuhuli ka. If she doesn't want to be led, lead her. Just do your step.
Nag-glams na. Okay na.
Hindi ko alam.
Grabe talaga.
Nasaan yung mga index cards?
Red, sorry, wait lang.
You can't leave someone who doesn't want to be led. It's a gas. Maadilantado ka lang. So just do your step. Oatmeal, unfinished oatmeal.
Kay Bugoy ata yan.
Emilia? Scholar design.
Except for that last one, na hinihinatay na si Chris, nakikita ko may madumi, pero yeah, halatang may mali. Halatang may mali. Pero it wasn't something na hindi niya nakahabol. Basta ang hihahabol ko yun.
Meron.
Opening number.
Good. Ano, sabi ni Teacher Maribeth, yung wind up, closing number. After lahat ng Gala songs nyo.
So,
So, opening Change the World, tapos all your Gala songs, tapos wind up.
So, bale manonood na lang yung judges, hindi na magko-comment kasi magsispill rin kami.
Siguro.
So, parang show talaga siya.
Oo.
So, kinausap ako ni Bonnie
Saan?
kahapon. Sabi niya, may gusto ko yung sinabi mo nung nirank mo yung sarili mo as number 1. Kasi daw, mangyayari yun. Kasi ako lang daw yung nag-rank sa sarili kong number 1.
Wala ba nag-rank ng number 1?
So,
None of the others rank themselves number 1.
wala.
Ah, talaga. Interesting. Okay. But you can't not think kasi the other way. Na you're just gonna work bahala na kung saan. It has to be that way. You have to think, you're